Ever wondered what it's like to drive with complete peace of mind against speed detection? In this video, I'll walk you through the stealth radar laser defense system we installed on this Porsche Cayenne. This is the Redenzo built-in radar system paired with AL priority laser jammers that we custom tailor for seamless integration. It detects radar and actively jams laser guns, giving you the ultimate edge against speed detection. Preliminary testing with multiple laser guns allows us to determine the optimal combination of laser jammers and precise placement to effectively jam both fixed and variable pulse rate laser guns. To prevent law enforcement laser guns from obtaining the Cayenne's speed, we determined that 4 laser jammers were needed on both the front and rear of the vehicle. We began by 3D scanning the front of the vehicle, allowing us to digitally reference the surfaces to CAD-designed custom laser jammer housings. The bases were 3D printed and the lenses were laser cut, molded, sanded, and polished for a clean finish. The result is a stealth, factory-like installation with no modifications to the vehicle. We also 3D scanned behind the front bumper to assist in designing a custom mount for the radar antenna. The mount was 3D printed and attaches securely to the vehicle without any drilling or permanent modifications. The radar antenna is bolted into the bracket for easy serviceability and provides timely alerts of any radar threats ahead. 3D scans of the rear of the vehicle were used to CAD-design custom laser jammer housings that mount to the rear hatch and house 4 laser jammers. The bases were 3D printed and the lenses were laser cut, heat formed in a mold, then sanded and polished for a precision finish. The housings not only seamlessly conceal the laser jammers for a stealth, factory-like appearance, but they also allow us to route the wires into the vehicle without modifying the rear hatch. The rear radar antenna is concealed behind the bumper using a CAD-designed 3D printed bracket that securely attaches to the vehicle using a factory bolt. This radar antenna provides real-time alerts for radar threats from behind. The Redenzo display controller was seamlessly integrated into the overhead panel using a CAD-designed 3D printed part that follows the factory lines for a clean OEM appearance. These photos show the fabrication process that brought everything together. The dual GPS antennas were mounted behind the shroud for the rear view mirror. They were secured to CAD-designed 3D printed brackets that were attached using a double-sided tape. The main components were mounted to a CAD-designed 3D printed bracket located under the dash to factory mounting points. The wires were shortened to length, wrapped in factory matching tape, and labeled for serviceability. The USB update ports were CAD-designed, 3D printed, and labeled for easy identification. To update the system, simply access the ports under the driver's side of the dash by the OBD2 port. After every install, we thoroughly test the system with law enforcement laser guns to ensure it is working properly. In these clips, you'll see the gun fail to obtain a speed until the jammers turn off. The system jams for a certain number of seconds before turning off, giving you time to slow down before law enforcement can get a reading. In these video clips, we had been testing the vehicle with a Dragon Eye laser gun with ECCM on, which is one of the hardest guns to jam, and we used a few other fixed pulse rate guns too. As you can see, it was unable to obtain a speed while the jammers were on, proving how effective this system can be when properly tested and installed. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please give us a phone call or send an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.